Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Healthcare. Today I'm going to share with you some natural home remedies for loose skin. Apart from oils, there are other natural substances which can help in firming up the skin. So let's start these natural ingredients. The first one is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils. They reduce the appearance of wrinkles, preventing a sagging look. How to use it? First of all, take a bowl, mash a quarter of a ripe banana to a smooth paste. Now, what do we with this smooth paste? Apply this paste on a clean face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water first, followed by cold water. Pat it dry. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumber helps retain elastin and hyaluronic acid, which are necessary to maintain firm skin. How to use it? Peel a cucumber and juice it in a blender. Take a clean cotton ball and apply this juice onto the affected skin. What we do after that? After 15 to 20 minutes, wash off with liquid warm water and pat it dry, and after that use normally aloe vera gel into your palm and into your hands and apply it to your skin. You can use cucumber home remedy for twice a week, or you can use this for on the daily basis for required results. Number 3. Pineapple. Pineapple contains a range of ingredients, including an enzyme which not only help improve skin elasticity but also removes dead cells and damaged skin cells. It also enhances skin hydration, contributing towards giving a clear look to the skin. How to use it? Peel a pineapple properly and juice it in a blender. In the second step, take a clean cotton ball and apply this juice to the saggy skin. What we do the next? Wash off. After 20 to 25 minutes, you can use this for 2 times a week. Aloe vera gel number 4. The gel found in an aloe vera leaf tightens the skin by improving its elasticity. It also stimulates collagen and hyaluronic acid production, thus preventing wrinkles. Oh wow! How can we use it? How to use it? Take an aloe vera leaf and cut off the flat end of the leaf first. Then slit it open vertically to reveal the aloe vera gel inside. Scoop out this gel and apply it directly to the skin. Wash off after 20 minutes. You can use this on daily basis. Coffee grounds scrub, that is number 5. Coffee contains caffeine, which protects skin from aging due to oxidative stress. How can we use it? The question is that. Yes, I'm telling you. Mix some coffee grounds with water to make a paste. What we do after that? Rub this paste all over the saggy skin gently in a circular motion. And after that, wash off with lukewarm water. You can use this one time a week, this remedy. Honey, number 6. Honey helps in detoxification of the skin. It also improves skin elasticity and smooths out wrinkles. How to use it? Take the required quantity of honey in a glass bowl. Add a little water to it so that its consistency is comfortable enough for you to apply to the skin. Apply this to the wrinkle area and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can wash with lukewarm water. Tips to prevent loose skin. To maintain the skin's youthful appearance, apart from using the above home remedies, it is also essential to have a balanced diet, which can provide all nutrients, including antioxidants, to maintain good skin health. Drinking enough water, more than 2 liters, is necessary to maintain the moisture levels of the skin. It's better to avoid smoking and heavy alcohol intakes, as they have a significant contribution to the aging of the skin. The use of an appropriate moisturizer helps lock in moisture, providing hydration and helps keep the skin smooth. Application of sunscreen with a SPF of at least 15 is an essential step in skincare, so as to prevent sun damage to the skin. What we have concluded above all the discussions. With all these tips and simple home remedies, you need not resort to artificial and expensive cosmetics. To tackle saggy skin, just look into your kitchen and you will find fresh and natural ways to maintain supple, smooth skin. I hope you like my video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't subscribe to my channel. Thank you.